Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can share your location on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chats section, people, and right here you're going to find stories. So right now I'm going to go back to chats, and then right here you're going to find all of the conversations that you have. And here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find your notes and also your friends' notes. So right now I'm going to go to a conversation, for example, this one. And then once you're here, as you can see guys, right here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to send a message. Here you can send a picture. You can also open the camera, send an audio or a voice message. And if you click on this plus icon right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to send your location. Go ahead and click on location. And then right here, go ahead and click on allow location access. Click on allow, and then right here, you can either choose to give Messenger access to your location while using the app all its time on or not allow it. Make sure you give it the permission. So I'm gonna give it the permission while using the app, and then make sure you enable your location on the phone. And then once you do that, as you can see guys right here, you can send your current location or you can send your live location. Go ahead and click on send location. And as you can see guys, your location will be sent. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.